Like guys, I'm going dancing with my fairy. I'm going dancing with my fairy. Am I?
Let's take this off for now. We'll put this on when you leave.
That's not a very good idea.
Huh?
That's not a very good idea.
Why not?
It's not.
It is a good idea.
No.
Because it might break if you keep wearing it around the house.
Big pigs.
Okay, wait.
Big pigs. Big pigs. I have Aya.
You wanna help Ayla?
No.
Gamitin natin yung mousse from Ecolux. Maganda to, guys.
Big pigs. Did I leave? Big pigs.
Okay, wait. Don't touch your hair, Ayla. Come on, Ayla.
Pigs. Pigs.
Are you a fairy? Gumawa siya ng squishy. Tingnan mo yung squishy. Show the guys your squishy.
Why is this wobbly?
You dizzy? Is it loose? Okay, stop spinning. You get dizzy. I like your wings. Yan yung bigay nila Miss na wings. Sira na nga lang, but see?
Hello guys.
What's that?
This is how you do it.
Don't take the fluff out.
And then do this.
Don't take the fluff out. You make a mess.
Okay, put it in. Okay, Mommy, you're not cheating. You're so beautiful. And that's so beautiful. You want to be furry? Oh, you're a furry. But furry don't wear wings, do they?
Baby fairies don't know.
Only big
Yeah.
ones.
So she's a fairy too?
Are you a fairy?
Aww.
Are you a furry? Are you a furry? Are you a furry?
Aww.
Look at my toy, Indy. When you're older, you can do this.
She loves talking to you, Baba. Hey, good morning, Baba.
Good morning, Baba. Huh?
She's talking. Good morning, Indie girl.
Good morning, Indy girl.
Happy Saturday.
Saturday. Daddy?
Are you coming with me?
Yeah?
Ooh.
Can I do?
Ganda ng Christmas tree tingnan. Hello, malam.
Hello.
Look good. Oh, my goodness. Ooh, yummy. Daddy just got home from Ayla's dancing and from shopping. Nag-grocery shopping sila after ng dancing. Ready na ako. Sama ko si ate. Are you wearing that dress? Okay. How about shoes? What shoes are you wearing? The gold one?
Are they comfortable?
My golden shoes are very, very comfortable.
Is it very, very comfortable?
I
Okay.
don't stand on it.
We will have a girls' day out. Yeah.
But not Indy.
Not Indy, yeah. It's okay. Indy's just gonna sleep here. Yeah? Binilhan tayo ni Daddy ng bread. Anong klase to, babe? What is this, malap? Same?
Yeah.
Barbecue? Pizza. Is it pizza? You want some?
It's for kids too.
Oh, yeah. See, it's got hot dog inside.
I'll go.
You ready, girl? Bye, Daddy. Thank you. She's sleeping. Bye, Indy.
What's wrong, honey?
What's wrong? You got it? Oh, you got it, girl. That's okay, that's okay. Just be patient. Just grab it. Yep. There you go. Is it really, really big, your dress? Do you need help? Okay. Don't be upset. It's okay. Here, mommy's helping. You've got a big dress, that's why.
Mommy, where's my roll-up?
Wait, let's...
Hello.
Sorry, can you get me roll up, please?
What did Daddy say, Mommy?
Hmm?
What did Daddy say?
Yeah, he's getting it for you. Alright, so punta kaming Burnside. We will go to the new Zara in Burnside. Matagal na ako hindi nakapunta doon, guys. But, pupunta tayo doon para i-return yung yellow pants na pinakita ko sa inyo. Yung binili ko sa Sydney Zara. Kasi tinry ko siya and hindi ko talaga siya bet. Hindi ko alam kung bakit ko siya well, alam ko kung bakit ko siya binili. Binili ko siya because kasya siya sa akin.
Yeah.
Thank you. What do you want? Which one? Roll up? Oh, thank you, Dada. Yeah, anyway, I was saying, alam ko kung bakit ko siya binili. Kasi kasya siya sa akin, guys. And madala nga lang yung mga pang-women na kasya sa akin, lalo na yung pang-baba. Tapos, nung susuotin ko na sana siya, kasya siya, pero hindi siya ganun kaganda sa akin. Hindi siya bagay sa akin. Punta kami doon ni Ayla. We will return it and we will visit as well the new Zara there. Nag-close sila temporarily because nag-renovate sila. You're right there, baby?
Yeah.
That's good. Guess what? Everyone's in Burnside, guys. Everyone's here. Can't find a park.
Wait, is Sino here?
So no.
Yeah.
No, she's not here. Baby, tell me the truth. Do you only love me 'cause you have to? Na 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 na. Everyone is in Burnside today. I'll try and go this way. Baby, tell me the truth. Do you only love me 'cause you have to? Wala na. Ubusan na tayo ng oras. Naghanap pa lang tayo ng parking, ate. Is there a car park up there? I think there is, girl. Let's go there, girl. Oh, I didn't know that. Oh, maliligaw na naman tayo nito. Papunta-punta ka dito, ah. As if naman talagang marunong ka. Maliligaw ka na naman. Oh my gosh, it's still busy. Kanina nasa loob kami, ngayon nandito na kami sa labas, guys, and it's still full. So, ayun, I can see, girl. I can see one. Oh my gosh. Uy. Here. I see one. Ay, there you go. Ooh, thank you, Lord. I'm gonna reverse. We found one. Good job, me and you, Ayla. Did you find this car park, Ayla, or I did? Who found this one?
I did.
You did?
Yeah.
Well done, girl.
I just saw it.
You saw it, I know. I just got here. I'm not leaving, guys. Relax lang kayo dyan. Huwag kayong maghintay dyan. I'm not leaving. So, yung isang pants, i-return ko yung yellow. And then, merong isang pants na papapalitan ko ng size na mas malaki. Alright, let's go, ate. Oh, I'm gonna eat my collagen. By the way, I have a code. 15% off code from YesStyle. Madalang lang sila magbigay ng 15% off, guys, because my code is always 10%. Nandun yan sa description box ko. It's always there. But we have a special code valid for 72 hours only. It's Razor BF15 for 15% off without any minimum order. So kahit na anong i-order mo sa YesStyle, walang minimum order. You can get 15% off using this code. Valid only for 72 hours starting now. If the code doesn't work, that means it's over, guys. So you can use my usual 10% off code. Stock up on your skincare kasi alam nyo naman, if you're using Korean skincare, nandun yan sa YesStyle for sure. Skincare, damit. This earring is from YesStyle, so they have accessories as well. Itong earrings na to, it's from YesStyle. Fashion tape, my gosh. I used fashion tape here para magstay na ganito yung top ko. Meron din yan sa YesStyle, fashion tape. Mga damit, meron sila. Bags, shoes, and collagen. Meron din silang collagen. So this is what I have been taking araw-araw. Hindi na pala ako nagbe-breastfeed. So I'm back to taking collagen, and meron silang ganito. So it's just a pomegranate collagen stick. I take 2 a day. It's very easy to open as well. Ayan lang. Yan. Tapos dalawa. Kinakain ko lang yan siya. Ito yung itsura niya.
I can open a jumpy.
See? Ganyan. So, meron din to sa YesStyle. Meron din silang collagen powder. Meron din ako dun sa bahay kapag naubos na to. Oh my gosh, ay umuulan. Ito na nga ba sinasabi ko. So, yeah guys, kung gusto nyo, 15% off. Gamitin nyo yung code ko.
Oh no, it's raining.
Yeah.
But we won't,
It's raining. You know what? Chika-chika muna tayo habang umuulan. So, may nabasa akong comment. Madalang lang ako magbasa ng comments, guys. But kagabi, nagbasa ako ng comments and may nagsabi na mayroon daw akong binat. And hindi ko kasi alam ano exactly yung binat. So, I looked it up because I hear it a lot na wag kang ganyan, baka mabinat ka. And I found this article from Unilab. Unilab, Pilipinas na Pilipinas to, guys. I'll just search sa Google kung ano yung binat because hindi ko 100% sure kung ano siya. Before looking it up, I thought like binat is sobrang pagod. Kaya ka nabibinat. Hindi pala. So, basahin ko lang to sa inyo. Let's decide together kung may binat nga ba ako. So, binat is a local Filipino term which directly translates to relapse. It occurs when someone is recovering from illness but gets sick again shortly after or even during the recovery period. And the symptoms is usually a combination of headache, which I don't have, body pain, which I don't have alarming body pain, fever, definitely walang fever, and ano pala siya? It is bughat in Bisaya. And I hear that word a lot as well. And hindi ko alam kung ano yung translation. So now we know it's relapse. Ang nakita ko kasi dun sa comment, sabi niya, yung mata ko daw, ay hindi ko alam kung anong describe niya sa mata ko. But sabi niya, yung mata mo ganito, may binat ka. Wala dito yung sa mata. I am tired. Yes, I'm exhausted. Ikaw ba naman mag-alaga ng 3 bata, guys? May newborn pa. Mapapagod ka talaga. What triggers binat? Daily stress and exposure to free radicals like pollution and other illnesses put you at risk of having a weak immune system, therefore making you susceptible to getting sick or even prolonging sickness by what we describe as binat. I believe my immune system is not weak. Another trigger stems from a belief that some women who have undergone childbirth, that's me, may have experienced distress in the body, thus resulting in binat, or in this case, weakness in the body and exhaustion. Exhausted, yes, I'm exhausted, but I don't have other symptoms like fever, headache, body pain. Wala naman. Hindi naman siya combination of that. Kung nakaka-function ka pa din, pero pagod ka, hindi yan binat. I don't think so. That's what I understand anyway. Though, triggers may be different. The symptoms presented are the same. Yun. That's from Unilab, guys. Ang nagbebenta ng mga gamot. Nagbebenta to sila ng mga gamot, diba? Maraming salamat po sa concern. The thing is, hindi ko kasi iiwasan na gumawa. Like, I need to do household chores. It's a need. I really need to. I need to look after my kids. So, it's a need for me at the moment. Yes, I am tired. I'm always tired. Kaya nga nandito ako ngayon. Because yesterday, if you watch my vlog, sobrang iba yung pagod yesterday. And Dan saw it as well. And he goes, bukas, umalis ka, ikaw lang mag-isa. And alam niyo naman ako, hindi ako nakikinig. I brought Ayla with me because okay naman yan siya. Mabait naman yung batang yan. So, mag-ano lang kami ngayon. Mag-hangout kami, bonding kaming dalawa ba as a mom and daughter. Di ba, Bob? But these kids make me so tired, but they make me so happy as well. Don't you, my love? Yeah, you love mama. See? Napaka-sweet. So, normal lang naman talaga na mapagod ka, guys. Lalo na kung wala kang katulong. But, looking after the kids is like easy for me. Kung yan lang. Kung looking after the kids lang. Sabi ko nga, kahit na ilang anak pa yan, kung yan lang yung trabaho ko, mag-look after lang ng kids, kayang-kaya ko yan. The thing is, meron pa kasi akong ginagawa aside from just looking after my kids. But I can guarantee you na wala akong binat. Tapos kapag nagkasakit man ako, I don't think makukonsider siyang binat. Kasi I have fully recovered from childbirth. As what I understand, it's like after recovery, nagkasakit ka ulit, or even during recovery, nagkasakit ka ulit. Feeling ko kasi naka-recover na ako matagal na from childbirth. So kapag nagkasakit man ako, like nilagnat ako, ganun, I don't think that will be considered binat. Like, may sakit ka lang talaga, may lagnat ka. Sa pagkakaintindi ko. But, alam ko na concern yung nag-comment, so maraming salamat sa concern. But, I will be always tired until Indy will be in school. Or maybe Arlo. When Arlo's in school next year, I think I will be okay. Pero magiging pagod pa din ako kasi alam niyo naman ako, kapag wala nang ginagawa, naghahanap ng gagawin. But yeah, I'm okay. Let's go, Ayla!
Okay.
Pasko na! Ang ganda, oh! You like it? Be careful! That's cool! It's a big one! Do you wanna go inside? Go check!
Come with me.
Oh, here! Okay, sige! Oh, cool! I'll take a photo of you. I'll send it to Dada, okay? Oh my gosh, look at Zara. Ang ganda na niya. Santa. Dito na kami sa Zara. Ang cute niyo. oh, wow. Okay, let's go.
Hello, guys. I'm actually wearing my swimwear today.
You like it?
Is it a new one? Yes or no?
It is a new one, yes.
It's a new one. Is it number 5 or 4?
It's 4 to 5.
It's number.
I think it's a bit loose up here. Down here.
Down there.
Yeah. That one fits way better. The blue one. Do you want to try the other one on?
No.
Okay. Do you want to pay for it?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. You can put the hanger. Oh. Ganito na siya eh. Ano na siya? What do you call that? Automatic. Ayan oh. Baby swimsuit agad. Pay. Dito kami sa parents room. Naglalaro lang siya. Laro lang siya saglit. Tapos balik na tayo. Tapos na kami sa Zara. Very overwhelming yung Zara. Ang laki, ang ganda. Yung sa kids section nila hindi ganun kalaki. Napapalitan ko na yung kailangan kong palitan. Na-return ko din yung kailangan kong i-return.
Hello, guys. I'm actually drinking cola.
Lucky girl. My goodness.
And I'm actually a big girl.
Just a little bit, okay? That's mommy's. Nag-order ako ng hot chocolate. Tapos kain tayo sushi. But I got hot chocolate too. You want hot chocolate too?
Yeah, it's for kids too.
This is for kids too, yeah. Come on.
You can have it.
Yeah.
Drink it. Time.
Later. Yes, thank you. Enjoy. You wanna try hot chocolate too? Just wait. Let me just check if it's hot. Yummy. That looks good. Do you want some? Yum. That's not a straw. It's a chopstick like this. See? Look at this. It's a chopstick. It's not a straw. That doesn't fit you. Let's look for yellow earrings for you. Here, let's see here. Our car got a free wash. Looks good. Alright, open.
It looks raining.
It looks raining.
Don't touch them.
Yeah, you can. Come on.
Maybe, but this one is yucky.
Go in. Got it? Inside? Ugh. Did you have fun, Bob?
Yeah.
That's good. Punta pala kami sa bahay ng best friend ni Dan mamaya. Nagpunta kami ng Lovisa. Binilhan ko si Ayla ng yellow na accessories. Kasi meron na naman siyang concert, guys. Pero ano to? School concert. Meron silang year-end concert. And Ayla will perform. What are you gonna perform, Baba?
Jumping in sunshine. Yeah.
Walking on sunshine. Ah.
I had a rainbow scarf.
So you will be using rainbow scarves?
No.
Ah.
We does use rainbow scarves with railroad tracks to train.
Okay. Bahay na ako, guys. I got home. And this boy was just in his nappy. Indy was crying. And a really messy house. Tingnan mo si Santa, tsaka yung ating elf, a reindeer. Andyan na, guys, sa baba. Look at the messy house. Arlo, what have you done? Let's clean up before we go.
Yeah, Mom.
Yeah, Mom.
It's the toys.
I know, toys everywhere. Who did this?
Not me.
Yes, you. You're the only one here.
Yes, you, Mom.
It's you, Arlo.
No, you.
No, you. I wasn't here.
You.
But I wasn't here, though.
You.
I wasn't here. It was only you, Daddy, and Indy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a thing.
Who did this? Who did all this mess?
I
No. You can't. Don't blame Ayla.
made a mess.
No, Ayla did not make a mess.
It's you.
No, it's not me. Arlo, don't lie. Who made the mess?
Daddy.
Silly boy, it's you.
It's Daddy.
Look at Santa. Poor Santa. Why is he laying down?
Yeah. Who's that?
Like, Santa, get up. Tell Santa.
No.
No? Come on, let's clean up. Hello.
This.
Yeah. Everything.
Dinosaur?
Dinosaur as well, yeah. And that one too?
Huh?
Yeah, I know.
Okay, Mom.
Is it broken?
I thought. I got my finger, Mom. I got my finger.
Come on, put the toys away.
We won, Mom.
How about that one? We won, yay! You helping Mama? And how about the ball? Can you get the ball, please? Okay, baby. Thank you. Go grab it for Mama. Thank you, hello. Ah, football? How about the green ball? That one. Thank you. And what are you gonna bring to Uncle
I got you,
Christian?
Mom.
Yeah, thank you. What are you gonna bring to Uncle Christian's house? What toy?
Double murder.
Captain America?
I don't know.
You don't know? Go look for a toy to bring. We will leave later.
Huh? There's more.
There's more.
There's more.
So, wala akong nabili sa Zara, guys. Mga gifts lang, which is good. Tapos, meron pa akong natira sa voucher ko. Nireturn ko yung isang pants, diba? Nireturn ko yung isang pants, pero hindi na ako ma-refund sa card because hindi ko card yung gamit ko. Card ni Manay yung ginamit ko kasi naiwan ko yung debit card ko nung nag-shopping kami. So, nag-transfer lang ako sa kanya. So, binigyan nila ako ng voucher. And I used the voucher to buy birthday present. Christmas presents for our Christmas party. Wala akong nabili para sa akin. But napapalitan ko yung size nito.
Mommy?
That's for Ate Ayla. And me. So, wala akong nabili sa Zara. It was very overwhelming. Ang laki. Tapos wala akong masyadong nagustuhan. Tapos into, hindi ko na tinry. Pero okay naman to. Mahaba nga lang siya. Pero mas okay yung fit dito sa waist. Hindi siya ganun kababa. So, nakabili ako ng regalo para sa dalawang monito-monita. So, kulang pa kami ng 3. Kasi 5 na kami eh. And then, sa Lovisa, naghahanap ako ng accessories for Ayla's, school concert. So, ito yung nahanap ko na yellow na accessories. That's for ate. That's ate's earrings. Ayan, ang cute. Kaya lang, siya, $5 for $10.
You have lollipop.
No, no lollipop. So, kailangan kong pumili ng apat pa.
Lollipop.
So, ito kinuha ko.
Lollipop.
Ayan.
I see.
And then ito. So, that's for me, obviously.
Mom.
Ito for Ayla.
Mom is not.
For Christmas photo or Christmas party, up to her. And I got this one.
I see.
Wait, sa Arlo. Kulit-kulit mo naman. Hindi naman kita. Kasi hindi tuloy nila makita.
Hi, Mommy.
Hi, baby.
I love you.
Aw, I love you.
I love you.
You're so sweet. Nagpapapansin ka eh. Na-miss mo ako, no? Did you miss me? Did you miss me?
Yeah, Mommy.
Aw, I miss you too, baby.
Mommy tickles.
Funny tickles. I love tickling you.
I love to tickle you, Mom.
Do you want to tickle me too?
Yeah, tickle, tickle, tickle.
I'm gonna tickle you like this. Ah, you want me to tickle you? Nagpapapansin ang aking dudo.
Mom.
Uy! More?
Yeah, Mom.
Okay. Tickle, tickle.
Mommy.
Yes.
I food.
You pooed?
Yeah, I farted, Mom.
You farted.
Mommy, more tickles.
Mga ngati yung tenga
More
natin
tickles,
dito.
Mom. More tickles, Mom.
More tickles. Okay.
More tickles, Mom.
Where's
More
the other
tickles.
one?
Huh? I don't know.
Oh no, we lost it. Oh, there it is. Thank you.
This is.
Uh-oh.
I did.
Off to Uncle Christian's house. Where are we going, Alo? Oh.
Good talking, boy.
Uncle Christian. Good job. Who are we gonna see?
Jackson?
Who else? And who else?
Ellie?
Ellie.
I think Carl will be there. I think Andy's going to be there as well.
Oh, really? Oh.
Yeah, I don't know who else is going to be there. But
What's happening? What's...
Oh, it's his birthday Monday.
Oh, Christian's birthday? Oh, do you have a present?
Yeah, I got him a bottle back. One of those bottle jackals.
Oh. Okay. Akala ko ano lang, dinner lang. Minsan kasi nag-i-invite yung best friend niya, punta ka dito sa bahay, mag-dinner tayo. May pa-birthday pala. Is this your favorite, my love?
Nah, don't like it to be honest with you. So.
You're right. You've been wearing it non-stop.
I just wore it today.
The guys can see. You've been wearing it non-stop since I got you this, so I think this is your favorite color.
It's not.
Why is this car so close? What the heck?
We've been close to it.
To that car.
I've did these other cars for returning.
Oh. Go, Alo!
Ready? Right.
Oh, good. Hide, Alo, hide. Hide. A good job. Don't move. Don't move, Alo. They're playing hide and seek. You're safe? Okay. Oh. They can't find you. Just stay there, okay? Don't move.
It's a bit dark.
It is dark. It's really late,
That
guys.
means can you put the lights on?
The lights are on outside.
Pauwi na kami, guys. My gosh, anong oras na? Malapit na mag alas 12.